Hi children, how are you? I'm Jyoti. Welcome to English video class. Okay, are you ready with answers, children? Yes, I'm ready with your answers. Okay, are you ready to check your answers? Are you confident with your answers? Okay, then let us go. Okay, first passage. Read the passage carefully and then answer the questions. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Okay, children, this is the first passage. I hope you all studied the textbook carefully and you all wrote correct answers. Okay, let us check the answers, children. Okay, first question. What is the king's wish? The king's wish. What is the king's wish? The king wants to know the answers of his three questions. Okay, children. So that is the first question's answer. So what is the king's wish? The king's wish is that he wants to know the answers of his three questions. So that is the first answer. Okay, second question. Whom did the king send throughout his kingdom? Whom did the king send throughout his kingdom? Whom? The king sent messengers throughout his kingdom. Okay, children. So the second question answer is the king sent messengers. Messengers. Okay. So if you wrote that messengers means your answer is right. Very good. Next question. What did the king promise? What did he promise? The king promised a large sum of money. Yes, don't you remember that? He promised that he would give a large sum of money. Okay. Fourth question. Who came to the king? How did they answer? Who came to the king? How did they answer? Many wise men came to the king. Yes, is it right? Yes, children. So many wise men came to the king and they answered differently in a different way. Okay, all gave in a different way. All answers are in different way. So okay, next question. Supply the antonym of question and same. Question means you know what is the opposite of question and same. Question, opposite of question is answer. Opposite of same is different. So the antonym of question is answer. The antonym of same is different. Okay, children. So how many answers were right? Okay, are 5 correct answers? Very good. Then let us move to the second passage, children. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Okay, children. So, first question. Was the king satisfied with the answers? Yes. Was the king satisfied with the answers? No, the king was not satisfied with the answers. That is the first answer. No, the king was not satisfied with the answers. So let us move to the second question. Did he give the reward? Did the king give the reward? No, he did not give any reward. No. So, no, he did not give the reward. Okay. Third question. What did the king decide? What did the king decide? The king decided to seek the advice of a hermit. Okay, the king decided to take the advice of a hermit. Okay, next question. Where did the hermit live? Where did he live? The hermit lived in a hut in the forest. Yes, children. The hermit lived in a hut in the forest. Okay. Next question. What is the meaning of hermit? What is the meaning? Synonym of hermit. Hermit means you already studied. Okay. So a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. That's the meaning of hermit. A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Okay. Then final question. Supply the antonym of wise. What is the opposite of wise, children? Foolish. Wise. Okay, foolish. Hermits are wise man. Okay, so foolish is the opposite of that. So let us move to the third passage. Okay, children. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Okay, now let us move to the questions. What was hermit doing when the king came near to him? What was the hermit doing at the time? The hermit was digging the ground. Yes, is it right? Yes. The hermit was digging the ground. Okay. Who is you in the second paragraph? Yes. In the second paragraph, I have come to you. So, from this, who is that you? You means you refer to the hermit. You means the hermit. In third question, why did the king offer to work? Why did the king offer to work? The king offered to work. Okay, because he felt that hermit was very tired. He was very weak and tired. No, that's why king offered to work for hermit. So the king offered to work because he felt that the hermit was very tired. Then fourth question, what did the king ask to answer? What did the king ask? What did the king ask the hermit? The king asked 3 questions to answer. Okay, the king asked 3 questions to answer. Okay, now see children, what are the 3 questions asked by the king? What are the 3 questions asked by the king? What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? Okay, these are 3 questions only now. So, what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? These are the 3 questions asked by the king to the hermit. Okay, then see children, what does the last line show about the king's character? See children, we can see the last line. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So what does that last line show about the king's character? The last line shows the king's compassion. Okay, he was very kind-hearted. That's why he told that, I'll work for you. So the last line shows the king's compassion. Okay, the king's compassion. Okay, children. Then see, let us move to the 4th passage. Okay, here comes someone running, said the hermit. The king turned and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. Okay, children, then let us see the questions. Who came running towards them? Who came running towards them? A bearded man came running towards them. Who came, children? Who came there? Bearded man came running towards them. Next question. What did the king see? What did the king see? The king saw a bearded man. What did they see? They saw a bearded man. What happened to the man? What happened to that bearded man? Blood was flowing from him. Yes, we can observe it from the textbook, okay, from the passage, from the picture also, blood was flowing from him. Who helped that man? Who helped that man? Who helped that bearded man, children? The king and the hermit helped that man. Okay, the king and the hermit helped that man. Okay, then next, last and final question. Describe the synonym of fainted. What is the meaning of fainted? Fainted. Okay, fainted means lost consciousness. Fainted means lost consciousness. Okay, children, then let us move to the last passage from this lesson. Okay, the most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment, for no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. The most important business is to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. Okay, so let us see the question and multiple choice questions from this passage, children. Okay, what are the answers given by the hermit? Okay, finally hermit gave some answers. What are the answers? Okay, first question, hermit told that now is the right time to begin something. Now is the right time. Okay, second question, the people present at that moment are important. Yes, is it right or not? Yes, children, the people present at that moment are important. To do, third question answer, to do good is the most important thing. Okay, to do good to others is the very important thing. So these are the 3 answers given by the hermit. Now is the right time to begin something. The people present at that moment are important. To do good is the most important thing. Okay, so let us see the multiple choice question, children. Okay, here see the hermit's advice was, I gave you 3 options. Okay, first option is to do good to people, to do important work, to work hard. Tell me, what is the hermit's advice? To do good to people. Yes, always we should work hard. Okay, we should not work hard. These are the not advice given by the hermit. He told simply that to do good to people. For this purpose only we came to this world. So to do good to people. Okay, second question. No one knows. No one knows. What? What no one knows? Okay, whether the future is bright for him, not that one. What is in store for him? No. What will happen in the future? No one knows what will happen in the future. So C is the right option. Okay, children. Then C, last and final. To do goodies. To do goodies. Dash. To do goodies. The only work for you. The main purpose of life, liked by the devils. So which one is correct? The main purpose of life. Yes, to do good is the main purpose of life. For this only we came to this world. This is the advice given by the hermit. So A is the first answer, C is the second answer, B is the third answer. Okay, children, I hope you all got correct answers. If you had studied the textbook carefully, definitely you would have gotten correct answers, otherwise you would not get them. Okay, and then I just conducted another spellings test also. Okay, so just I gave you some spellings blanks. Have you filled those, children? Is it right? Isn't it or not? Okay, then just check them out of the 10 how many are correct. Okay, just check them whether they are right or wrong. Okay, first one, messengers. Second one, strict. Third one, pleasures. Fourth one, decision. Fifth one, bodyguard. Next one, affairs. Seventh one, business. Next, bearded man. Necessary. Finally, revenge. Once again, messengers, strict, pleasures, decision, bodyguard, affairs, business, bearded man, necessary, and revenge. I hope you all got correct answers. Otherwise, please correct them and read them thoroughly. Okay, children. So with this, we finally conclude this lesson. Okay, then let us go to next lesson in the next video. Bye, children.